Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to see how you can easily change the category of your Facebook page with just a few clicks. So right now I am on my Facebook page. If I want to change the category, I'll go to About, and from here you can see the category. So right now it's selected to financial services. I'll click on this change pen tool and just select this and press backspace. Now by default you can see these categories which are most popular, for example actor, artist, these kind of categories up to public figure. But don't worry if you don't find your category here. For example, there are many major categories which are not here, for example business. So I will write business. As soon as you write, it will recommend all that services related to business, business service, business center. Or for example, you are providing accounting services, you are an accountant, bank, financial services, tax preparation service. These kind of categories you can find here. And if you have a restaurant, Chinese restaurant, American restaurant, so you can see all of these things here. And for example, you have a clothing brand, you can select that. So this is how you can select the category and then change that. Right now I'll change it from financial services to accountant and save, and we are done. So this is how you can change your category easily on your Facebook page. So that's it. I hope you liked the video, and if you did, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell so that you can get notified of all the future videos. This is Saad signing off from today's video. Take care.